In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a map on Figma using the Mapsicle and Figmap plugins. This is a fantastic technique for enhancing your UI and UX design projects, giving you the edge in displaying geographic data with sleek functionality. Let's explore each step to get you up and running in just a few minutes. First, make your way to Figma, which we all know is our go-to collaborative interface design tool. Once you're there, if you aren't logged in already, click on the Log In button. Enter your credentials and you'll be directed to your Figma home screen, where you have access to all your recent projects and design files. It's important to note that being organized here can save you so much time when switching between projects, especially if you're incorporating external plugins like Mapsicle and Figmap often. Once on your home screen, direct your attention to the design section. Clicking here will open up your working space where all the design magic happens. Here's a little tip: make sure that your layers are appropriately named and organized within this workspace. It might not seem important now, but when you're managing multiple components, it can really help maintain clarity throughout the design process. Next, within this design space, you need to look for the Actions menu. Think of it as your central hub for performing many tasks within Figma. It's extremely useful. From this menu, use the search bar to look up the Map feature. You should quickly find an option labeled Map Maker, which is where we'll dive into the plugin aspect of enhancing our design toolkit. Selecting Map Maker allows you to integrate the Mapsicle or Figmap plugins directly into your design. Then simply click on the Run option. This action triggers the plugin to start functioning, effectively bridging the gap between raw geographical data and appealing visual interfaces. Bear in mind, if you're using the plugin for the first time, you might see some prompts requiring permissions. Rest assured, these are routine checks to ensure everything works seamlessly in your design environment. Once the MapMaker tool has run its course, all that's left is to apply the results of this operation to your design canvas. So, follow through by clicking on the Apply button. This step may seem minor, but it's the critical point where everything comes together, and your map becomes fully interactive and part of your design project. And that's it! You've successfully added a map to your Figma project using the Mapsicle and Figmap plugins. This process not only adds functionality to your designs, but enriches the overall user experience. Remember that integrating these advanced features can greatly enhance how users interact with your interface. Thanks for sticking with me through this walkthrough. I hope you found it helpful. Happy designing, and I'll catch you in the next video.